Larry Joe Bird, born December 7, 1956, is an American former professional basketball player, coach, and executive in the National Basketball Association, NBA. Nicknamed the Hick from French Lick and Larry legend. Bird is widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He is the only person in NBA history to be named Rookie of the Year, Most Valuable Player, Finals MVP, All-Star MVP, Coach of the Year, and Executive of the Year. Growing up in French Lick, Indiana, Bird was a local basketball star. Highly recruited, he initially signed to play college basketball for Indiana University Bloomington. However, he dropped out after 1 month and returned to French Lick to attend a local college. The next year, he attended Indiana State University, ultimately playing 3 years for the Sycamores. Bird was selected by the Boston Celtics as the 6th overall pick in the 1978 NBA draft after his second year at Indiana State, but he elected to stay in college for the 1978-79 season. He led Indiana State to an undefeated regular season and a berth in the national championship, where they faced Michigan State and Magic Johnson, a matchup which launched a career-long rivalry between the two players. Bird entered the NBA for the 1979-80 season, where he made an immediate impact, leading the Celtics to a 32-win improvement over the previous season. Bird played for the Celtics during his entire 13-season professional career, leading them to 5 NBA Finals appearances and 3 NBA championships. He played most of his career with forward Kevin McHale and center Robert Parrish, considered by some to be the greatest front court in NBA history. Bird was a 12-time NBA All-Star, won 2 NBA Finals MVP awards, and received the NBA Most Valuable Player award 3 consecutive times, 1984 to 1986, making him the only forward in league history to do so. Bird was also a member of the gold medal-winning 1990 U.S. Olympic basketball team, known as the Dream Team. He was inducted into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame twice as a player, first in 1998 as an individual, and again in 2010 as a member of the Dream Team. Bird was voted onto the NBA's 50 Greatest Players in NBA History list in 1996, and subsequently the 75th Anniversary Team list in 2021. A versatile player at both forward positions, Bird could play both inside and outside, being one of the first players in the league to take advantage of the newly adopted three-point line. He was rated the greatest NBA small forward of all time by Fox Sports in 2016. After retiring as a player, Bird served as head coach of the Indiana Pacers from 1997 to 2000. He was named NBA Coach of the Year for the 1997-98 season and later led the Pacers to a berth in the 2000 NBA Finals. In 2003, Bird was named president of basketball operations for the Pacers, holding the position until retiring in 2012. He was named NBA Executive of the Year for the 2012 season. Bird returned to the Pacers as president of basketball operations in 2013-7 and remained in that role until 2017. Bird continued with the Pacers as an advisor until July 2022, then after nearly a year's break returned to the organization in the role of consultant. Bird was born December 7, 1956, in West Bottom Springs, Indiana, to Georgia Marie and Claude Joseph Joe Bird, a veteran of World War II and the Korean War. His parents were of Irish, Scottish, and Native American descent. Bird has 4 brothers and a sister. Bird was raised in nearby French Lick, where his mother worked 2 jobs to support Larry and his 5 siblings. Bird has said that being poor as a child still motivates him to this day. Georgia and Joe divorced when Larry was in high school, and Joe committed suicide in February 1975. Bird used basketball as an escape from his family troubles, starring for Springs Valley High School, class of 1974, and averaging 31 points, 21 rebounds, and 4.0 assists as a senior on his way to becoming the school's all-time scoring leader. Bird wore the jersey number 33 in high school because his brother Mark had previously had it. He kept that number through his college and professional career. According to Bird, he grew up as a huge fan of the Indiana Pacers in the American Basketball Association and center Mel Daniels, who represented his first exposure to professional basketball. Daniels would coincidentally become an assistant coach to Bird at Indiana State. During the summer of 1992, Bird joined Magic Johnson, Michael Jordan, and other NBA stars to play for the United States men's national basketball team in that year's Olympics in Barcelona, Spain. It was the first time in the United States Olympic history that the country sent NBA players to compete. Although head coach Chuck Daly initially suggested that Jordan captain the team, he declined, and so Bird and Magic Johnson had co-captaincy of the 1992 United States men's Olympic basketball team. The Dream Team won the men's basketball gold medal. In 8 games, Bird averaged 8.4 points. The Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame called the team the greatest collection of basketball talent on the planet. personal life. In 1975, Bird married Janet Condra. They remained married for less than a year. Following an attempted reconciliation, Bird and Condra had a daughter, Corey, in 1977. Bird married Dinah Mattingly in 1989. They have two adopted children, Connor and Mariah. That same year, Bird released his autobiography, Drive, The Story of My Life, which he co-wrote alongside Bob Ryan. The book recounts his life up until that point, touching upon his childhood, his father's alcoholism and suicide, his first marriage, along with his triumphs on the court, and stories about teammates. During his professional career with the Celtics, Bird lived in the Boston suburb of Brookline, Massachusetts. Bird is an active philanthropist, especially through the Boys and Girls Clubs of America, along with health-related charitable efforts. However, Bird has kept most of his efforts out of the press, seeking no publicity for his efforts. Bird once stated, "All of my donations are sort of made under the table. I don't need the publicity. I'm not doing it for the publicity. But I do care, and that's what matters most." Bird is known to live a low-key lifestyle. In his spare time, he enjoys engaging in hands-on activities. He is an avid fisherman and takes pleasure from playing golf. During his playing days, Bird said in his pregame inspiration that he always looked up at the rafters of the Garden at former Bruins defenseman Bobby Orr's retired for, instead of the retired numbers of Celtic stars such as Bill Russell, Bob Cousy, or John Havlicek. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.